Changing the grid size for the app screen on a Galaxy S24 allows you to customize how many app icons fit on each page, optimizing screen space according to your preference. Here's how you do it. First, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down from the top to open the notification panel. Now, tap the Settings gear icon. Next, scroll down and select Home Screen. Then, tap on App Screen Grid. Here, you can choose from different grid sizes. The 4x5 grid will give you 20 blocks to place apps. 4x6 allows for 24 app icons per page. 5x5 offers 25 blocks, and 5x6 provides 30 blocks. Select the grid size you prefer, and then tap Done to apply the changes. For example, if you choose the 5x6 grid, your app icons will become smaller, allowing you to fit more apps on one screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.